This is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, let me quickly download and install the app that we will use for it, that is called Turbo VPN. Then you will obviously need to launch the app. In here, tap the green continue button. Then skip this ad. Onwards, tap at the caret icon over here. Accept or confirm the connection request. And as you can see by this little key icon or indicator at the status bar, we have been successfully connected to VPN. While at it, you can reconnect yourself to another server or alternative country if you want to. So currently I'm connected to some server in Netherlands. So after this annoying ad will end, I will reconnect myself to some other country, let's say Germany. So from Netherlands to Germany. And finally, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, you can just tap at this cross icon over here, go for the disconnect option, and that would do it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.